Alhaj Abdul Kabir Bukola Alayande Irasalatu, King of Islamic Music. Mo ń fa àkókò ìsọ fún èèyàn mi wípé Bisi Ologe TV Show òun ni kẹ́ ẹ máa wò níbikíbi YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá ibẹ̀ náà wà. Tẹ́ bá tó fẹ́ ṣayẹyẹ tẹ́ fẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé mọ̀. Bisi Ologe #1. Bisi Ologe #1 ni ẹ máa wò wọ́n.
Announcing the arrival of His Royal Majesty, Ooni Odua. Ladies and gentlemen, Ooni Nigerian, CFR. The cacophony of sounds that you hear.
The Sun Award 2022 goes to the Governor of the Year, presented to His Excellency Alhaji Amadu Umaru Fintiri, Governor Adamawa State. Please give him a round of applause. He's here with us in the spirit.
Thank you very much.
So we'd like to ask the recipients alone.
Thank you very much. Yes, recipient can take his pictures. Security, ensure we do not have any more persons. Thank you.
Wow. Another privilege for me to present the Sun Award 2022 for the Governor of the Year, presented to His Excellency Senator Doyediri, Governor of Bayelsa State. Please. It seems we are the only ones celebrating him here. Please join us to give him a resounding round of applause, please. You cannot stop. Clap more, clap more. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Can we put our hands together for them one more time, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you very much.
as they take their seats?
Thank you. On behalf of a grateful state, we want to appreciate the Sun newspapers, management, and the staff. And I'd like to also appreciate the various arms of government, the legislative arm of government, the judiciary, who has worked in synergy with the executive arm of government that has brought this award to Bayelsa State. But most importantly, I'd like to dedicate this award to the very resilient people of Bayelsa State who in 2022 had an unprecedented flood and were able to overcome it. And so I dedicate this award to the people and the government of the state. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.